Why some children struggle in school even after tuition? What to do when your child's grade starts dropping? If your child goes for tuition, extra lessons outside school, watch this. There's a parent who came to me and shared, my son has been getting tuition for 3 years, one-to-one tutors, school remedials, extra help, and yet there has never been any progress. My boy is not lazy, he tries everything, but he just cannot understand. If you're a parent watching this, you might relate to this situation. And today, I want to talk about what parents can actually do in situations like this. So, this is a hidden struggle many parents don't see. When children struggle academically, the first reaction most adults will have, or most parents will have, more tuition, more practice, more drilling, more lessons, and sometimes that helps, but sometimes it doesn't. Because some children are not struggling due to the lack of effort, but they are struggling because of learning gaps, learning differences, weak foundations, or simply because learning method doesn't fit them. For example, conditions like dyscalculia makes it extremely for a child to process numbers and mathematical relationships. To the child, math problem might feel like reading a language that they don't understand at all. And when effort does not lead to improvement, something dangerous begins to happen. The child starts to believe, maybe I'm not smart. The real danger isn't grades. Many parents worry about grades, but actually the bigger danger is confidence. When your child repeatedly not progress despite trying, they may start losing belief in themselves, motivation to try, courage to ask questions, and eventually they might just start saying, I'm just bad at math, or I'm not that smart. As parents, we know one subject does not define a child's intelligence, but children don't always see it that way. Their results becomes their identity. And that is why how we respond as parents is extremely important. So what parents can do? If your child is still struggling, here are a few things that may help. Number one, separate effort from results. Always acknowledge the effort first. Instead of saying, why did you get such a low score? Try saying, I saw how hard you have tried. Let's figure this out together. Children need to know that effort still matters, even when results are not ideal. Sometimes children struggle because their earlier foundations are weak. Instead of pushing them to catch up with the class immediately, it may be more helpful to revisit earlier concepts, review the basics slowly, strengthen understanding step by step, and thirdly, try different learning approaches. Some children learn better through visual explanation, real-life examples, step-by-step breakdowns, interactive learning, and the traditional way of teaching might not work for every single child, and that is okay. Lastly, protect their confidence. One of the most important roles of parents is protecting your child's belief in themselves. Because confidence affects learning, communication, resilience, and future opportunities. A child who believes that they are capable will keep trying. A child who believes that they're bad at school may give up much earlier. So remember the bigger picture, school is important, but school is not the only measure of success in life. Some of the most successful adults were not necessarily top students. What mattered more were qualities like resilience, curiosity, persistence, and the willingness to keep learning. Sometimes students who struggle the most in school are actually developing incredible resilience that will serve them well later in life. And if you're a parent who finds this entire video useful, remember to share it to someone, or remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.